Hi everyone, my name is Sabrina Mir and I am a teaching assistant with the Young Scientists Program at USC. Welcome to week 6 of the special education YouTube videos. This week we'll be talking about taste and smell. So taste and smell are actually two of our senses and they are actually very similar. They use the same things called receptors. Receptors are a little bit complicated, but basically they work with your nerves, which send signals to your brain. So for example, if you touch your skin and you feel that, that is all receptors being activated and they are sending signals to your brain. The same thing happens when you smell something or you taste something. There are signals being sent to your brain to identify what you're eating, or what you're tasting, or what you're smelling. So taste is involved in eating and it involves receptors on your tongue. There are 5 basic types of taste, which include salty, sweet, sour, bitter, and something called umami, which wasn't really discovered until later. Scent is through your nose, so something called the olfactory receptors in your nose, and these identify what you're smelling and send signals to your brain so your brain can tell you what it exactly is that you are smelling. So this week, to test taste and smell, we will be working with Skittles. So we are going to be doing a blind taste test with Skittles. I'm going to open up this pack of Skittles right now, and then I'm going to blindly taste 5 Skittles and tell you what I think the flavors are. So I'm gonna grab one. I don't know what this one is, but to me that tasted like a red Skittle, but I could be wrong. Try the next Skittle. This is the Skittle. That one was a grape. This is the Skittle. That tastes like a green Skittle. Okay, let's try another one. Tasted like an orange Skittle. That tasted like a red Skittle to me. I'm not sure if I got any of those right, but I want you guys to pause this video and try it for yourselves now. So close your eyes and taste Skittles and see if you can guess which color Skittle it is. So there's a lot of people talking about how Skittles might actually have the same base flavor. Some people say they have different flavors, but some people say they taste exactly the same, but they smell different. So this subtle fragrance difference might actually be the reason why Skittles taste different to you. This shows you that taste and scent are very closely related. If you lose your ability to smell, you'll also lose some of your ability to taste things because smell actually enhances taste. So the diverse scientist for this week is a Japanese scientist by the name of Kikunae Ikeda. He was a Japanese chemist who worked at the Tokyo Imperial University, and he actually discovered one of the 5 basic tastes called umami. The story goes he was eating dinner with his family one day and he noticed the broth was extra tasty that day and he wondered what it was from. He learned that this umami flavor was from something called kombi, which is a brown macroalgae and flakes of fish that they use to enhance their food, and this was actually used to create MSG, which you may have heard of. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you next week for week 7 of the special education YouTube videos.